So I'm pretty sure you've seen videos like this. You can now create these kind of videos with just a few clicks. Let's see how you can do that. So the website that I've used to generate that dance video is called Higgsfield AI. Here you can use all the popular models like Nano Banana Pro, OpenAI Sora, Kling, Van, and besides just the models, here you will see all the top apps like Skin Enhancer, Face Swap, Angles, See Dream Transition, and a lot more. The thing that I like about these apps is you don't need to write a perfect prompt. You can just choose the app that you want, upload your seed images or videos, and get the job done without having to write a detailed prompt. So before jumping into how you can create the video that you had seen in the beginning of the video, I'd like to show you two of the most important things that I use from Higgsfield AI. And if you are a person that don't have a design or a video team, you can easily use Higgsfield AI to create your product ads and images and so on. So what I use for that is click to add. If you don't find it here, you can click on the apps in top, and here you'll see all the apps. The apps are categorized by most popular, new, banana boutique, and so on. And if you scroll down, you will see realistic ads. Here you can click on see all, and you will see all the app templates. Now, if you have a food product, you can choose this one. If you have a beauty product, you can choose this or this. So let's try this one and create a product ad. Okay, so here you can see a video created using this product to video ad feature. So let's try this out. Let's just go to Amazon and try to create an ad for a top product. So let's say you want to create ad for this hoodie. So I'll just click on the hoodie and just copy the link. You don't need to do much. Go back to this turn any product to a video ad feature. Just paste your product link here and click on continue. Now it will connect to website, extract product images, find the colors, locate logo and all that stuff, and it will create the video ad for you without you having to do anything. This is actually pretty great if you don't have a video or a marketing team. You can do all of this stuff by yourself in just a few clicks. So in a few minutes, it will have selected the top images of your product. It will also have additional images. If you want, you can choose these images instead. And here it has the product details, the product title, and the description. It will also automatically select the product or brand images here. And if you want, you can upload a logo, but I'll not do that. I'll just click on continue and let it create my ad video. A great thing is you can choose your brand's persona or the type of ad that you want to create. Do you want a simple UGC? Do you want viral chaos, luxury, product, elegant, red carpet? It's all based on what kind of ad you want to create. So let's just say I want customer review. So this is what I'll click on and click on generate video. The video is in queue and it will be created in a few minutes. Finally, the video is ready. Let's see how it has been generated.
This Hanes EcoSmart hoodie is so warm and soft.
It is perfect.
True to size and comfy all day.
The kangaroo pocket is roomy and super useful. Love that it's partly recycled, eco plus quality.
This Hanes EcoSmart hoodie.
So as you can see, it actually looks really good, and this actually looks like UGC. And you can use these videos as testimonials in your product page or in your social media or whatever. But this is actually pretty good. This is actually useful. It's not just a gimmick. All right, now let's move on to another one of my favorite apps here inside of Higgsfield AI, and then we will create the Trump dancing video. Again, as you've seen, I didn't write any prompt. I just created what I wanted by choosing one of the apps. If you hover over this video option here you'll see Lip Sync Studio. Now this is another one of the features that can be actually very useful. You just upload an image and then you upload an audio, and finally that image will actually lip sync the audio and it will be very lifelike and the lip sync will actually look very real. So this is something that you can go ahead and try. I'll have the link to this app in the description below. You can just click on it, come over here and try it within a few seconds and see if you can actually use this. Now finally, coming back to our Trump dancing video, again you can hover over video and find this create video here. Just click on create video, and the model that you need to use for that is Kling motion control. Here you can have a reference video and a character image, and that character image will be applied to the reference video. So for the reference video, I actually have downloaded this girl dancing. So let's see what it looks like. So this is the real video, and now we will make Trump, or you can make your friend or yourself do this dance. Just select this as the reference video, and you need to choose a character image. So let's just quickly download the character image. A quick tip for you, since the girl here has her full body shown, download an image that also has full body shown. Okay, so if I just search for Trump and download an image that just shows his face, your final video will also have just the upper body or the upper part of his body dancing. So let's try to look for his full body image. Okay, let's make this one. Let's try to make Trump dancing in a golf course. Or I think this is a better one because it shows his full body. So I'll just save this as image. Now let's go back to our video generator and let's add the character image. Okay, the image is not shown. That's because I think this image had AVIF format, so that is not uploadable right now. So what you can do is you can just take a screenshot of this and upload the screenshot. That's what we will do. Now upload the character image. And if you want, you can actually add a prompt here. So I'll just write Donald Trump dancing in a golf course. Now just click on generate, and here you'll see in queue. That means that your video generation is in progress. Let's wait for a few minutes for your final video to be generated. Finally, the image has been generated. So let's see how it looks like. And as you can see, it looks quite good, and even the fingers, facial expressions, the hairs, and the cap, everything is good. It's perfectly passable as a real video. This is how easy it has become to generate fake AI videos, so make sure you use proper judgment before taking any video as real video. Alright, enough of the cautions. Now again, let's talk a bit more about Higgsfield AI. This is the website here. I'll have the link in the description below. Again, one of the best things I like about this is you don't have to use any prompts. You can choose AI stylist, cinema studio, relight, and most of the use cases that you have in your real life scenario is actually covered here in some of the apps here. You can go over to apps and find out whatever you want and just easily and quickly create your final image without having to prompt like crazy. All right, if you have any questions, let me know in the comments below.